pair your iPhone or Android device to your 2020-2023 Chevrolet Corvette C8. Start by ensuring the vehicle is in park with the ignition on. On the infotainment screen, navigate to Settings, then Phone Bluetooth, and select Add Device. Put your phone into pairing mode via its Bluetooth settings. Select your phone from the Corvette's display. A PIN might be required, usually 0000 or 1234. Once paired, your contacts, calendar, music, and navigation apps will sync. For Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, enable wireless mirroring in your phone's settings and initially connect via Bluetooth. The system auto-reconnects on subsequent starts. Ensure your device runs iOS 12 Plus for CarPlay or Android 8 Plus for Auto. The system uses Bluetooth 5.0 or later, supporting profiles like A2DP for audio streaming, HSP for headset, and AVRCP for remote control.